Hello everyone, I'm Anna Vanila on the channel Anna Vanila Arts, and here today we're going to talk about this new scarf that I have made from acrylic yarn with slightly bigger needles. I think it was about 4.5 maybe size, and I rolled up this scarf. This is how it looks at the end. I think you would love it if you make one like so, and it's amazing. I just love it. It feels wonderful. It should feel pretty much nicer around your neck and keeping you warm in cooler days. I think it's fantastic. I love it. I love the color. The color is such a juicy tone, like juicy color, juicy quality, pink. It's just fantastic. I just love it. Look how nice it is, how thick and quite full is this scarf. I only had about 30 loops, and then with 30 loops I was doing this design, this pattern, and really it doesn't take you a lot to do it. It doesn't require a lot of thinking or counting. Basically it's about 4 rows of pattern, and you repeat that, the front and the back, and it becomes something so beautiful as this. It's fantastic. I just love it. Look at this. Wow. I think I'm going to be really obsessed wearing it. And the hat that I made video previously is the same pattern and the same color, just has different size needles. As you can see, this is a bit chunkier, this is a bit thinner, with thinner needles, and the color and the style seems to work quite well. I would definitely do a video wearing both of these items as a set, and hopefully you're going to like it. I love this scarf a lot. I think it's very sexy. It's kind of intriguing because you can see here slightly, and yet it keeps you warm. It's stunning. It's durable, it's movable. You see, it's stretchy. It's just stunning. I don't know, it's amazing. I'm just in love with it, and it's absolutely stunning. I love it. I think it's amazing. I think it's one of my favorite scarves of all times. As you can see, there's a lot of yarn in here. By the way, it's acrylic yarn, which I always use acrylic. I don't use wool or animal fur or anything. I always go to acrylic yarn, bamboo yarn and cotton yarn. In the rest I'm not interested. I'm more into a more kind of like natural alternatives, and this is just amazing. This is just amazing. I love it. I love it. It's fantastic. It's very touchy. It's just stunning. I love it. I think the design is genius. Whoever made this pattern is genius. It's fantastic. It's beautiful, and it just works so well with this color. It's just fantastic. I'm in love with it. I think it will work well with any clothing, even if it's pink. It's very feminine. It's very feminine because of a color. And I do think if I was to make this scarf in gray or blue, dark blue, it might suit a man as well. Why not? And for children, I think it would be a nice accessory to have, a suitable accessory, because it's acrylic. It doesn't itch or anything. It's just perfect garment for everybody. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing, and see you soon in the next video. Bye. Love you all. Bye.